Dwi'n Mae trio dysgu siarad Cymraeg.
Wow, that's excellent. Can you remember to practice?
Ymarfer. Ymarfer.
Yeah, lovely. So how about I want to practice learning?
Dwi'n Mae ymarfer ddysgu.
Lovely, yeah. How about I want to try?
It's not trio, is it trio?
Yeah, it is. Just trust yourself. When the sound wants to come out, let it come out. Because the worst that happens is it's not the right sound.
Yeah.
That's fine. So I want to try to practice.
Dwi'n Mae trio well
done.
What's it called?
Ymarfer.
Ymarfer.
How about I want to try to practice learning?
Dwi'n Mae trio ymarfer ddysgu.
Lovely.
Ymarfer.
So dwi'n moyn trio ymarfer ddysgu. Fantastic. I want to go for one more because you're in a row. I want to try to practice learning to speak Welsh.
Dwi'n Mae trio ymarfer ddysgu siarad Cymraeg.
So that was a 7-word sentence, right? On day one, and you've been beating yourself up and saying your brain's not doing it well enough. You can produce a 7-word sentence, which is a remarkable achievement. Dwi'n moyn trio ymarfer ddysgu siarad Cymraeg.
Yeah.
So that is absolute evidence that your brain is already succeeding. Just trust in yourself, trust in your own brain. The process is working. 7-word sentence.
Yeah, I'll take that.
On day one.
All day.